Today I'm going to explain why I started this channel, a bit about myself, what I hope to achieve through this, and why it would be a great resource for students aspiring for a career in finance. So to start off with a bit about myself, my name is Ollie, and this year I'm working on the Quant team at an asset manager in London. I finished year 13 last summer, and so I'm on a gap year, and I'll be starting uni in September studying engineering mathematics. I decided to start this channel for a few reasons. Firstly, I wanted a place to document and track the progress of various personal projects that I have in mind. I'll be starting with coding a trading bot in Python to employ a factor investing strategy. The series will be following different stages of building a trading bot, and so it'll be a great place to learn a bit about the process and hopefully a good starting guide if you wanted to build one yourself. The first video will be up in a few weeks, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications if you'd like to follow along. Secondly, I aspire to build a community and network where we can share resources and help each other gain greater access to the world of finance careers. And so for that, I need your help. Comment down below any ideas for videos, for requests, or any questions or suggestions you may have about pursuing a career in finance. I hope to collate everyone's suggestions and contributions to bring you a definitive guide on internships, work experience, qualifications, or anything that you can do to gain a competitive edge on your peers. Starting from a very young age, I've been researching about how financial services function, and I've been trying to understand more and more about it. But it's hard. I remember some of the first times I started Googling different concepts, in particular how the stock market worked, and it was confusing. You know, what's causing these movements in price? What are people actually buying? And why are they buying it? And although I'm just straight out of school, I've only got a few months work experience, and I haven't been to uni yet, I still think I've got quite a unique insight in a part of finance which is dominated by postgrads and experienced professionals. Quantitative investments can seem like a part of the industry which is especially reserved for PhDs, and no one like me could get into it. And that's what I thought beforehand, but it is becoming a lot more accessible. I joined with no experience or knowledge about quant, and it's been a steep learning path, but I've learned so much in this short period, and I've got so much more to learn. So I hope to share my knowledge and experience, particularly in quant, in a more relatable and comprehensible way for students. So leave a comment down below for any subject or concept you'd like me to cover, and I'll be sure to give it a go, and hopefully we can both learn something along the way. To finish off, I'd love to gain insights from professionals in the industry and share it with you guys as well. I'm looking to host interviews which I'll record and then post on here to help you get a better grasp on which role suits you. If this interests you, then make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can tune in for these. Thank you very much for sticking around to the end. I hope this has explained what I'd like to achieve with this channel, and I'd love if you could help out build this community. So on a final note, leave suggestions for videos in the comments below. You can drop me a message on LinkedIn or tweet me on Twitter. They'll be linked in the description. And finally, feel free to subscribe or drop a like if you think you'd be interested in these videos in the future. I hope to see you soon.